With the microturbines, our electric bill hasn't changed in 5 years, even though electrical rates have gone up 105%.
Sheboygan is one of the most progressive cities in the country when it comes to using renewable energy sources. The microturbines that we have installed at our sewage treatment plant are significant in energy savings in our operations at our sewage treatment plant, and that we actually produce more electricity with the microturbines than we use at the facility. This long-term sustainability is a goal in our sewage treatment plant and in our overall operations of our city.
One of the questions I get asked very frequently is, why did we choose microturbine technology? And when I go back to when we started looking at combined heat and power systems and what we're going to do with the excess biogas, we had experience with a reciprocating engine. Wasn't a very good experience. The engine that we have right now runs a pump, and that engine uses 4 gallons of oil. We're not recovering the heat off of the exhaust of that engine, and it's not really what would be considered a clean burning engine. The other options were fuel cells, but not really to the forefront, and it's pretty expensive. And then there was the microturbines, and we looked at that, and we liked the idea of being able to put in a few units that could use the excess biogas that we had, generate electricity, recover heat, and ultimately, if we needed to expand that system, we could.
Energy costs at treatment plants often account for a third of a plant's total operating budget, and those costs continue to grow. Today's plants process more and more sewage each year. More sewage means more methane biogas, a byproduct of the treatment process. Methane, also referred to as biogas or sewer gas, has a greenhouse gas impact on the atmosphere 21 times greater than carbon dioxide.
We wanted something that made sense for the bottom line and the environment.
Sheboygan Regional Wastewater Treatment Plant installed 10 low-emission C30 Capstone MikroTurbines in 2006 in a combined heat and power system. The innovative C30 system has cut the plant's energy bills 40% and significantly reduced greenhouse gas emissions.
I knew cogen was the answer to cheap electricity. We had all this excess biogas, so why not use it as fuel? The threefold purpose of the microturbine project was: 1, to generate 2,300 kilowatts of electrical power; 2, to heat the digesters to the 95 degrees Fahrenheit; and 3, to heat plant buildings during the winter months. We were really pleased with the microturbines. In fact, and we added 2 C200 microturbines to our lineup to produce more electricity and heat for our digesters.
In 2010, before the C200s were installed, the 10 C30s alone recovered about 850,000 BTUs of heat per hour, which is enough to keep about 150 Sheboygan homes warm each winter. That same year, the C30 microturbines also produced 1,600 megawatts of electricity, valued at $117,000, and 74,000 therms of heat each hour, valued at $50,000 for the year. With the C200s, those dollar savings will continue to increase.
The microturbines helped the wastewater treatment plant by using excess biogas that we were flaring, that was basically polluting the atmosphere. We produce energy on site. We reduced our natural gas consumption by about 80%. So there's a cost savings there. That's how we've benefited from the microturbine technology. I like to think outside the box, and the cogeneration system with the microturbines helps protect the environment and keep our costs down.
Together, the Capstone C30 and C200 microturbines will meet an astounding 90% of the wastewater treatment plant's annual energy needs and nearly eliminate the purchase of natural gas for heating.
Our sewage treatment plant, with producing its own electricity, is the picture of sustainability. We are actually getting to the point with the new microturbines coming in that we are going to produce more electricity than we use, and we're going to sell that back to the grid. If that's not sustainability, I don't know what is.